The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. I don't trust anyone who's nice to me, but rude to a waiter because they would treat me the same if I were in that position. Silence is golden when you can't think of a good answer. Impossible is not a fact. It's an opinion. Impossible is not a declaration. It's a dare. Impossible is potential. Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. There are no pleasures in a fight, but some of my fights have been a pleasure to win. Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth. Truly great people in history never wanted to be great for themselves. All they wanted was the chance to do good for others and be close to God. Live every day as if it were your last, because someday you are going to be right. The man who views the world at 50 the same as he did at 20 has wasted 30 years of his life. Live every day as if it were your last, because someday you are going to be right. Hating people because of their color is wrong. And it doesn't matter which color does the hating. It's just plain wrong. We can't be brave without fear. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. There is a science to making your opponent wear down. You lose nothing when fighting for a cause. In my mind, the losers are those who don't have a cause they care about. A man who has no imagination has no wings. When a fighter is beaten, everybody who believes in him is beaten too. His family, his friends, his children, the people who cheer him on, who give him their love, their hope, their pride. No one starts out on top. You have to work your way up. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. I love children. I can never pass them by without saying something to them. They make you want to start life all over again. If you lose a big fight, it will worry you all of your life. It will plague you until you get your revenge. Friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school. But if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. I said I was the greatest. I never said I was the smartest. I am an ordinary man who worked hard to develop the talent I was given. I believed in myself, and I believe in the goodness of others. It takes pride and tiger's drive to build up the confidence, the ego, the power to defeat an opponent in the ring. Friendship is a priceless gift that cannot be bought nor sold, but its value is far greater than a mountain made of gold. Superman don't need no seat belt.